Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to adjust the time capture of the photo on your iPhone into another time. So you just need to go open your photo library, and then after that you just need to find the picture that you want to adjust. And here you can see that this picture will have a 21st January and 20.27, means that this picture is downloaded on this time or captured on this time. And you can still adjusting this by go click this three small dots on the top right corner and go click this adjust date and time. And now in this adjusted here, you just need to find out the dates that you want. You can make it backward or front. You can make it back date or front date. And here, let's do it in November and 22nd. And you can also adjusting the time by click this time here and then adjusting the hours and the minutes that you take. And after you're done, just need to go click adjust, and you can see the picture here will be readjusted for the time. So that's the way how to adjust the time and the date of the picture on the iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.